Está el Baldo. ¿Qué le quieres mandar saludos, Baldo? ¿A nadie? ¿No conoces a nadie o qué?
A los que me conozcan.
¿Conoces a alguien?
Toda la raza que mira el YouTube channel del compa Han.
Hey, saludos. So aquí está la truck. Supposed to go get it tuned in a little bit. Baldo wanted to check it out. He wanted to see the motor, how it came out. It's pretty clean. The guy did a good job, man.
Highly recommendations.
I want to change out this cover though. There's that badass one que cubre aquí. Yeah, que cubre.
Que diga Vortex.
Pues, que diga lo que tú quieras.
Porque está el que dice Vortex good.
I think it says Vortex 6000 or something like that.
Good.
¿Eh?
I think it's good. Or 6000.
¿Me lo compras, porfa?
¿Los vendes o qué?
Sí, vara. Hey, what's up, guys? So right now I'm supposed to go get my truck tuned. It's like about 40 minutes away, but I'm thinking it might be longer because there's always traffic near downtown. I've heard good stuff about him. Let's see if he does a good job on my truck, man. I really just want to be driving it for right now, like a daily. I know it's gonna be wasting some good gas, but I don't really care. I mean, that's the point of the truck, to have fun in it. Don't care too much about racing and trying to be the fastest one out there. I don't really care about that, but I do want for it to be running pretty good, you know. But for the most part, I want to be able to do like some good burnouts, some good donuts, and we'll see how it goes, man. We'll see. We'll check it out. Houston's weather's stupid. It was 95 degrees, sunny right now. Ahorita ya empezó a llover. ¿Tú crees? So I'm here at the place already. The guy told me to unload it. After that, we're gonna go get it tuned. The thing is that before I came, the truck didn't want to start well, so hopefully it turns on right now. That way we can go get it tuned. If not, I'm gonna have to charge the battery for a little bit. Let's see if it turns on. Waiting for the guy to finish up a car and a truck that he's working on, and then I should be next. A ver si no tarda mucho, because it's already about to be 4. I'm getting hungry, and it's a long drive still, and I'm gonna be stuck in traffic, man. I know it's gonna be worse than when I came over here. Man, traffic's gonna suck. So you get your pizza fast. Oye, fría. Already got late. Trying to get the truck running, but they said injectors 2 and 4 they aren't working right. So they're testing it. So I loaded up my truck already. It was already late. It was past 10 already. I was getting hungry. I was kind of getting upset because I was there since like 2. So that's what, an 8-hour wait for them to tell me that my injectors were bad, or they think my injectors are bad. Reason why, they say they checked the compression on cylinder 2 and 4. And they both were building compression, but like very slowly compared to like the other cylinders. And they think it's the injectors. It was already late for them to, I guess, like take off the fuel rail and take off the injector and then put another one and test it out. So I'm gonna have to change them out maybe tomorrow or the day after, I'm not sure. And then check the compression. And if it's good, then try to either come back or get somebody local, somebody closer, because this guy was like an hour away. Try to get the truck tuned again, and hopefully that should be the problem. Because I don't know, I don't want to come out here again for like another hour and a half in traffic, and it was hot. And I feel like I shouldn't have been there for that long. Today otra vez ando aquí trying to go get my truck tuned, but this time to a different guy. Yesterday, según it was misfiring. Changed out all the injectors today, and I mean, the spark plug is getting fuel. The injectors are working. So maybe that guy that tuned it, or that was trying to tune it, probably didn't do a good job, or I don't know. I mean, I don't know much about tuning or whatever. So I'm on my way to another guy. They say he's pretty good. Nomás que he don't answer, so I'm gonna just drive by. If he's there, talk to him. If not, then I keep trying to look for another person to tune my truck and see how it goes. Always traffic in Houston, guys. Appreciate you, man, for letting me in. Now this guy over here trying to squeeze in between everybody. Alright, so I'm like 2 minutes away. The destination is somewhere over here on the left. And there's nobody here. I mean, I don't know. So I guess I'm gonna park and I'll get off and check. There's a guy there. You do tuning? They told me about a guy named Caesar here that tunes.
Sorry?
They told me about a guy named Caesar that tunes.
Yeah, he just stepped out to run some errands.
Okay.
You need your truck tuned?
Yeah.
What's done to it?
Cam, headers,
What are you trying to do, a
lifters,
dyno tune or a street tune?
street tune.
Let me call him and see.
Yeah.
He was just here like an hour ago. He had to go drop a motor off at a machine shop.
And some guy named Chino told me about you.
Okay.
I don't know if you know who I'm talking
Yeah.
about. I mean, I don't mind waiting a little while.
Okay. Yeah, you could just
Is there a way to do a U-turn over there or no? Or a little street?
you see in front of that other shop right there?
Yeah.
There's a big patch.
All right.
It should be long enough for you to make a U-turn.
All right. If not, I'll find a little street, a cross street, and I'll just.
And then you can just put it right here.
All righty.
You should be back soon though.
All righty. Oh, y'all just fixing up the shop or something? Or?
Yeah, we're cleaning it up.
Oh, y'all just got it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool. Alright, so I am at the correct spot. Más que el guy no está ahorita. So a ver si no se tarda. I mean, I waited 8 hours yesterday. I could wait another hour here, so I ain't tripping about that. Más que así regrese, you know. I just gotta back up. And these empty bodegas here. Yeah, I'll be able to do it here. So by the signs on the road, I think I am at the right spot. What y'all think? Well, no luck again today. Been having this bad luck with this truck, man. Trying to get it tuned, trying to get it running. I don't know what's going on. The guy, he's not coming back today, so he said maybe tomorrow. At least I found out where the shop is at. The drive is not far, so it's not too bad. I mean, it's kind of getting late already anyway, getting dark. I'd rather do this in the daytime. So time to head back home.